Hello children, let us try one more question on adjustment relating to an income, and this time we are going to take another example of income. As you can see before you, question number 34, page 1.63 from the book T.S. Grewal. I'm going to try this question. Now here the income, the nature of income is locker rent. It is for locker rent. The previous examples we have taken for the income subscription. This is another example of an income, that is locker rent. So taking the information from this question, here also we are asked like what amount will be taken as income which is to be credited to income and expenditure account. So that is the amount we have to calculate. So for calculation of the amount to be credited to income and expenditure account, as you know, the rules that we have to follow is we will create a rough format where you're going to keep the current year, previous year and next year. The current year is for the year we are preparing or we are finding the amount for. Previous year will be the opening date of the accounting period, and next year may be the closing date of the accounting period. So for this question you are given here two dates, 1st of April 2018 and 31st March 2019. So this date we are going to consider for previous year and the next year respectively. 1st of April 2018 previous year and 31st of March 2019 the next year, and your accounting year is 2018-19. So for the year 2018-19 we are finding the amount of locker rent that will be credited to income and expenditure account. So the procedure is same. We have to first consider the amount that we have received as income as per the receipt and payment account for this particular item. So the amount received for locker rent during the year, which is said here, is 52,000. This amount you are going to take and start with. So the amount which is given as receipt for locker rent, here it will be for locker rent from the receipt and payment account, or even if you don't write, it's understood. So that is 52,000. Now moving on to our rough work, where we have taken our previous year as the opening date, 1st of April 2018, and the next year as the closing date, 31st of March 2019. You have to pick those amounts which are mentioned there. The first one is for outstanding locker rent. It's outstanding and advance locker rent. So outstanding 4,600 for the opening previous year and 6,300 for the next year. Similarly for the advance, it is 3,000 for the opening or previous year and 4,000 for the next year. So we can apply the rule. As we know, outstanding, which is opening, is to be less, closing is to be added. So to find the amount meant for the current year. On the opposite, for advance, the one which is previous year opening is to be added, and next year advance is to be deducted. So pick these and apply them here. Outstanding at the end of the current year 6,300, outstanding at the end of the previous year 4,600. This is the end of previous year, this position is end of the previous year. This position is end of the current year. This position, what is written here. And for advance, which is at the end of the previous year, that is to be deducted. This amount is for deducted and subtracting, and advance at the end of the last year. Sorry, this is I think we are going to no. This amount should be 4,000. I'm overwriting, don't mind. So as we compute this amount by adding 52,000, 6,300 and 3,000, then deducting the total of 4,600 and 4,000 from that total, your amount of locker rent to be credited to income and expenditure account is 52,700. Okay, this is the amount we have to take as income from locker rent, which is recorded in the credit side of income and expenditure account.